Wait, girl, I look so pale. What the heck? Okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to whoever find this little diary that I keep in moving pictures or videos. My name is cremyuh, and in the past, about 3 years ago, I used to upload videos here on YouTube. Um, just silent videos, because I like to film some little moments in my life that I feel like it's worth sharing or worth showing to the world. My last upload here on this app was still way back 2023, and I'm in college at that time, but right now I'm still in college. I'm an irregular student, and yeah, it's kind of hard, but then we just have to keep showing up or keep going, because what else can I do? Do I stop? I can't afford that. So yeah, we have no choice but to keep going in this chosen course that we have and this chosen university that I applied to, which is a state university. So anyway, I decided to like upload again right now since I don't know what pushed me to continue uploading. But yeah, I decided to film the little moments once again and share to the world what I want to share to the world. Yun lang. During the past few days, today is Thursday, in the past few weekdays, I am just going back and forth to school and home. And yeah, I'm just listening or I'm just attending classes every day.
Anong masasabi mo? Maminaw tani oh. Maminaw ko.
Muna yung mga learning form, kasi sa ubang books, sa ubang references, ay given nga well,
Mangulik na ta guys. Kapoy na guys. End call ko na box. End call ko na. Stop the car. May hanas or aksi.
napag-isa kay estimating to the reduction definition. So, share na substance. Then, kay tension. Kahit kay explain. Kaya wala ang mga tension na ang imong tension na isang mga condition.
Kung double chin klaro ka ayo.
Hindi siya katong eccentric shear lang.
Napakawala.
Dahil mo sila nagawin ay kana may kapilit lang
Sige boss. Click.
kani kay tamang kay constitution ko duwa man siya na side. Kaya apiyang mo na asa ko na approximately.
I actually filed a leave of absence from the past semester this academic year. I took a break in academics because it's not entirely a break for my rest or my yeah, it's not entirely a rest because I went or I entered the corporate world and worked my ass off. And yeah, I suddenly decided that I just want a change of environment for a while. That's why I decided to enter the corporate world and work there for about 5 months during my leave of absence here at the university. So yeah, this I went back and then just continue attending classes once again. I'll get this degree. That's why I still keep coming back, even if it's costing me my mental health. But right now, actually, I can say that it's tolerable. Medyo kaya na. For now, it's just the start of the semester. But yeah, I can say that I have really learned my lessons and I am more motivated right now. So I think the leave of absence kind of helped with my mental and emotional being. So I'm also thankful that I have that opportunity to take a break from ACADS. So yeah, for this video, I am going to show you my weekend, the last weekend, because I filmed some videos in there. Maybe I will do a voiceover if it's necessary. Maybe, just maybe. Just see how will I edit this. Please stay on the video to see what I'm going to do. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna show you my weekend, and then yeah, I hope that we'll have more videos to upload in the very future because I don't know, I really just like filming some moments in my life. I don't know why. It's kind of therapeutic. So, yeah, this will serve as my comeback video. Wow, kala mo naman ang sikat niya, but yeah, this is my comeback video. Welcome. Welcome to this little diary that I have once again, and I hope you enjoy your stay. This is Cremyuh once again. Peace out. Hey guys, I decided to do a voiceover na lang. So on Saturday, I went to a spontaneous Hagimit Falls trip with my cousins. See the view. So as expected during the weekends, there are really a lot of people, but it's still enjoyable because Hagimit Falls is really a huge place where you can just choose where to swim. So we walked and walked until we reached the bottom of the area where it is recommended to swim since there's a part in there that's really nice to swim and jump. So there you can see the bottom of Hagibit Falls. Okay, we also decided to just walk around the area basically so that we can also explore other places. And then here you can see a rare species sighting. Just kidding. That's my cousin enjoying just laying around in the cold water. And then suddenly we felt the hunger, so we decided to go down to look for something to eat. Update. Anong masasabi mo?
Dili na ko.
Masasabi mo?
Ayoko na. Ikaw, ano masasabi mo sa mic niya? Dali na.
Allah, bakbo.
So guys, kipang kapoy ang mga yate. so how's your experience in ano po yan eh?
Di na kumusap, kapoy. Kapoy. Allah.
Ikaw din, kumusta experience?
Kapit na ako makitaan.
Ang unsa?
Ang pure.
Ayan, sumulong talaga sila sa init dahil sa gutom. So, lumakad lang kami pababa sa city proper to look for something to eat.
So guys, nindot kay view dire guys.
guys, look!
Dapat koan.
It's really super init that time that when I went home, I noticed that my feet has two different skin tones. It's really intense, but still, we walked. And there we found a street food place. I just bought whatever's good. I got chicken and isaw and a kwek kwek, and my cousin got some takoyakis. Alright, Sunday. So the main agenda is to study out on a cafe and then go to some flea market later on if there's still time. So that's me walking in the city to go to Green Coffee around Obrero area. So this is really the cafe that's my go-to because it's near the university and there is Wi-Fi and also the environment is quiet. And that's me waiting for my order. I don't know why I look anxious, and that's me preparing my things for the study session that I'm going to be doing for a few hours or whatever. I'm too shy to film, whatever. This is my first time actually filming in public, and this is just awkward. Anyway, I'm here at Green Coffee today at Obrero Davao City branch. I am going to study. Okay, that's the main agenda here, to study. So that's the setup. I got salt and cheese matcha and blueberry cheesecake. Everything's just cheese. Yummy. And before the study session proper, watch my mini mukbang first. Ayan, time to log in. So, the main agenda is just I am going to study reinforced concrete. Only one subject for this study out session. So, this study clips will be until the 13-minute mark. Enjoy! Okay, after about 3 hours of locking in, I decided to watch a movie, and this is Hamnet. I just found this on Letterboxd, and I just got hooked and decided to click and start watching it. But then I did not finish that. I decided to finish that at home and watched YouTube vlogs instead. That is Keichung, my goat, and I just basically watch vlogs. There is also Kyla D, the self-date queen, pop-off queen. Tapos nagsawa na ako kakanood ng vlogs. So ayun, pack up my things. And since there is still time, I am going to go to the flea market at Classico around Torres. The place name is actually Project L. And I am just going to look around and see what I'm going to buy. And that's me almost running out of green coffee because the grab car suddenly arrived. I thought the booking is not yet accepted. So here we go. We're out. And after just a few minutes, ayun, we arrived at Project Al or Classico. There are a lot of merchants here. There are matchas, some clothes, there are photo booths. And I actually went into the photo booth. There you go. Because it's really my long time plan to take a photo booth photos of myself. And finally, I got that courage to do so right now. And it's fun. I am not courageous enough yet for this thing. So look at my smile, it's really awkward. And there are no variety in my poses for all the 4 photos that I took. But yes, this is a first for me, and there are more to go, hopefully. And for late lunch, I went to Fast Fresh, just a few steps from Project L, and I got their kale Caesar wrap salad or whatever that is. And it's yummy. And that's pretty much it. That's me walking towards the Sakayan to go home. It's been a productive weekend, and thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one to all of you. Goodbye.